Good morning, everybody. This video is for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. We've had some problems accessing documents. We've had some problems turning assignments into Google Classroom, where you guys are doing the work and you're filling out a Google Doc, but you are not turning it into Google Classroom. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So there shouldn't be any more questions or concerns or problems with it. If there are, reach out to me. I would love to be able to get this all sorted out, but please refer to this video before asking me questions because I'm going to run through step by step as to how to do this. All right. So when you log in to Google Classroom, this is your view. I'm in a student view right now. I had Mr. DeBoer give me access to Summer Academy's email. So you're going to click on Survey of U.S. History, whatever the class is. I'm just using the 7th grade as an example, but this should be the same for everybody. I'm going to scroll down to, let's say, this assignment right here. Okay, week day 1, what gives stories their power? I'm going to click on that assignment. All right. Here are all the instructions right here. Okay. Now you might be asking, where is the Google Doc? Right? Because part number 4 is respond to questions on Google Docs. If I made a copy for you, which I do for all of the assignments, it'll be right here in the top right corner. It says your work. All right. Now ignore the missing because this is done late. This will say assigned. All right. So this will say assigned if something has been assigned to you. It says Summer Academy, but that's just because that is the email's name. It would say like student first name, student last name. The people could fly questions. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on that. It automatically populates the name and then the questions. You don't have to change that. Do not change that. Type in your name. People who are submitting things without a name, like taking the time to put your first and last name in, I am going to take points off. That's a heads up. All right. And you're going to answer these questions. Answer. 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 Okay. Now, from what I understand, there are a couple of options for you to do here. All right. There's share and there's turn in. Do not share with me. That goes to my email. That does not submit it to Google Classroom. I repeat, do not share it with me. You have to turn it into Google Classroom. That's where I want all these assignments so I can find them easily. I don't want to switch back to some people who are turning it in to Google Classroom to have it go into my email to then download your file and put it into my folder that is assigned to these online classes. Okay, I am not going to be doing extra work on top of this for a simple procedure. If you are not turning it in Google Classroom, it is not going to count. I don't care if you shared it with me. If you do not turn it into Google Classroom, it's not going to count. All right. If I click turn in, it's going to take you back to Google Classroom. Right? One attachment will be submitted for week 1, day 1, what gives stories power. There's the assignment. Turn in. It's turning it in. It says turned in late because, again, this assignment was assigned much earlier on this week. So it will say turned in. Go back here. All right, here's the other way to do it. As opposed to just clicking turned in, okay, your access has expired. So after you turn it in, all right, that's it. You can't submit it anymore. You can't make any edits. It's done. Okay? So I'm going to exit out of this. The other way to do it, okay, well, I already turned it in, but there would have been a button here that said create or turn in. All right? You don't have to create anything because I already have the assignment made for you. So when you do this, follow these steps. Okay, I have some people asking me to get access to document, which is the template. Okay, you don't need to do that. All you need to do is click on the assignment and go into here, your work, this area. All right, if you have any questions about that, please email me. email me. Don't write a comment down in here, okay? Don't add a class comment. Don't get a notification for that. I'm not checking this page every 15 minutes to see your notifications. All right, follow this simple rule. If you have a question, you email me at my Neighborhood Academy email address. Please stop leaving comments on these pages. It muddles up everything, and it's not in a central location for me to find. Classwork needs to be turned into Google Classroom. Questions need to be sent to me via email. That's it. If you have any other questions about that, please let me know. If not, I look forward to everything being submitted this way and just making life easier for all of us. All right. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.